My name is Muhammad Nazir Halliru. I was sponsored by His Excellency Dr. Abi Musa Kwankwaso to India, one of the best universities in India, to study MSc Econometrics, and I graduated with first class with distinction. I currently work as a country manager in a geospatial data program called Grade 3 with Columbia University in the United States. It's a program that strengthens geospatial data availability across African countries, and I'm currently the only African who happens to be one of the country managers working with the university. Over the years, due to the successful completion of our scholarship opportunities, we took part in various programs across strengthening the country's data availability, and we participated in the development of the National Development Plan 2021 to 2025 and Nigeria Agenda 2050. Thank you very much.